Hey, you guys know who I am. Today, I wanted to just real quick go over, make one little improvement in the bathroom, just one little one. And then I want to just go through the bathroom real quick to see how I'm scoring it, to make sure everybody knows what it's going to take to get a perfect score. But my little improvement is going to be organizing and taking the cleaning supplies to the next level. So I asked Dave to make some Kanban keys for me, and then like magically about 30 minutes later, these were all sitting on my desk. So thanks, Dave, that was fast. Here we are out here by the cleaning supplies, and I want to show you guys what we've got currently. So we're gonna do a little before and after. What we have here is the top of the cleaning supply closet for the men's bathroom, and hopefully one day we can just adopt this for the women's bathroom. But as you can see, we've got paper towels, trash bags, there are cleaning wipes in the back there, glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, and this here, which is not in the right place, even though it's clearly marked gloves, someone has decided to put a row of package of paper towels there. So I'm gonna fix that, okay? And as part of our inspection now, I'm gonna put that over here. I just put that right here where the paper towels go. But also I did add one thing here, air freshener, okay? So that's also gonna be checked. So what's gonna happen with this system is inevitably someone's gonna come get the last of something, whether it be the glass cleaner or disinfecting wipes, and they're not gonna notify anybody, and we're gonna run out, and then our bathroom is gonna suffer. So what I've done is I've just went ahead and implemented real quick here the Kanban system. So what I did was I just put in some screws, and all these keys are gonna hang nice and neat right in the same location that they're gonna be used. Glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, mop pads, which we're actually out of right now, you can see. Gloves, which we're out of right now. Those keys I'm gonna go turn in, and paper towels go there. Okay, so this is actually the end result, okay? Nice and neat. If you ever run out of anything, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this key. I'm gonna grab this one and this one because we're out, and this one. And we're gonna walk over here, and we're gonna put this under items to be ordered. Okay, so I'm gonna go inspect the bathroom real quick. I haven't looked at it yet, but I wanna show you guys what's gonna pass, what's gonna fail. So let me turn this around. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just check. That's getting a little light, but there's still some in it. That's full, full. We got plenty of gloves. Okay, I'm gonna check this, make sure that's full. And then we're just gonna look at cleanliness, okay? Oh, I see someone already fixed that. That's brand new, okay? I was been digging everybody for that all week. Okay, there's a couple rolls of toilet paper in there. Someone replenished that, I see. And there's a roll on here, which is great. And I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten that up, okay? So it's perfect. I'm gonna come over here to the sink. Actually, let's look at the stool real quick. Stool looks clean. The lid is down, which is that's pretty impressive because we've had a hard time with that. Okay, everything looks clean. It smells good in here. Now, I want to tell you, this is one of the better times. I inspect this real close to make sure there's no water spots on anything. But here's what's been happening lately. It's been wet underneath here, and I'm going to tell you, that's dry. Okay, that's pretty amazing. Now that's kind of hard to do. You got to catch that because water sits under that thing and it just looks kind of sloppy. Soap gets on it and it just doesn't look good. You got plenty of paper towels. All the light bulbs are good. Now that fan right there, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's pretty nasty, okay? Been digging people on that. That needs to get clean. Trash is less than half full. That's a pass. We got our man Court on the back. I want to tell you, this is one of the better times that I have seen this bathroom. So at this point, I would only ding the floor because there's a piece of paper on the floor there. Someone left it, just a trash can. That's the first time I haven't had to ding the water underneath that. Someone had a really good improvement idea for that, so maybe they'll actually execute that. Also, there are spots on the mirror. Oh, and this is that's really nasty. Okay, that. All right, let's get it clean.